Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 7, Our Soils. In this chapter, we will study about soil, its formation, and the different types of soil found in India. What is soil? First, we will study about what is soil and about its formation. Soil is the top covering of the earth's surface. Our earth has different layers, and the topmost layer, which covers the earth's surface, is called soil. In this picture, you can see the different layers of soil. Starting from the bottom, there is parent rock or the bedrock. After that, sea horizon is the weathered parent material or the broken bedrock. Then B horizon is subsoil, which is formed when the weathered parent material rock breaks down into smaller pieces, and the topmost or A horizon is the topsoil. This topsoil has an organic layer on it which is called humus, which we will study later in the chapter. Formation of soil, or how soil is formed. Soil is formed when large rocks break into small pieces. These large rocks break down due to the action of heat, rain, and water. Because of the action of heat, rain, and water, these rocks start breaking into small pieces, and they keeps on breaking into small particles and finally form soil. Soil fertility. Fertility means the capacity of soil to provide necessary plant nutrients to the crops. Like we human beings need different nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats to stay fit, in the same way plants also need nutrients to grow well. So, the soil which provides the necessary plant nutrients to the crops is considered as fertile. Manure and fertilizers are added to the soil to make it fertile by the farmers. Now, what are manures and fertilizers? Manure is the waste matter from animals that is mixed with the soil in order to make plants grow better. And fertilizer is a natural or chemical substance that is put on land or soil to make plants grow better. Both manure and fertilizers are used or mixed with the soil to increase its fertility. If soil is fertile, it produces more crops or plants grow well in that soil. Earthworms are called friends of farmers as they convert dead leaves and plant remains into rich natural fertilizers. This map shows the different types of soils found in India. The first type of soil, which is very fertile, is known as alluvial soil. It is found in northern and coastal plains. In this map, the green color shows the areas where alluvial soil is found in India. The northern plains and the coastal areas have alluvial soil. This soil is mostly formed when rivers deposit silt along its banks. This is very fertile soil, and crops like rice, wheat, jute, and vegetables grow well in this soil. Now again look at the map. The areas showing grey color have black soil. These are mostly the parts of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Black soil is black in color and it is formed from lava rocks. So it is also known as black lava soil. It is formed from the rocks which are formed as a result of the cooling of lava. When the lava cools down, it takes form of rocks, and these rocks when break down into small particles they form black soil. Black soil can hold a large amount of moisture. It means it can remain wet for a longer period of time. This quality of black soil makes it suitable for growing cotton, sugarcane, wheat and oilseeds. These crops need a moist soil, so they grow well in black soil.